What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your personal hotspot is grayed out on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. The hotspot icon in your control center or in your settings will be grayed out if there are issues with your mobile data settings, screen time restrictions, or problems with your ISP. First, close all apps that are running on your device and open your control center. To ensure your personal hotspot works, proceed to toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Ensure mobile data or cellular is enabled, as well as your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. All of these settings will have to be enabled to make sure that your hotspot is discoverable by other devices. When this is done, open up your iOS settings app. In the mobile data section, make sure to enable mobile data for your primary SIM card. Select your primary SIM and here enable the network selection option. When this is done, head back to your main settings and under personal hotspot, make sure that this option is enabled. Your iOS device will remind you to enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth if these options are not already enabled. In case your hotspot icon is still grayed out, then there might be restrictions in place that hinder you from enabling it. Navigate to your screen time settings. Next, in your content and privacy restrictions, make sure to simply disable all restrictions to see if this allows you to enable your hotspot. If it's not the case, then you can re-enable some content and privacy restrictions on your iOS devices. Next, head to your general settings. In the software update section, proceed to download the latest update before restarting your iPhone. This will ensure that the problem is not software related and all network processes will be restarted, which often fixes temporary connection problems. In case nothing helped you out, then you'll be required to reset your network settings. In your general settings, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap on Reset and then Reset Network Settings. After resetting these settings, you'll be required to reconnect your device to your Wi-Fi network and the grayed out hotspot icon problem should be fixed. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.